This drawing is from Armin Nayak. He drew Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. I'm just adjusting the drawing. It looks reddish, so I gonna change its color. I go to filter tool, then extract line drawing. This color is much better. Then I add shadows on Gojo's face because it looks so flat. Shadows is important on drawings, so don't forget to add shadows. Then, I add layer and I use digital pen to color the canvas with black. And I adjust the opacity to 51%. I add layer and set it to overlay. I lower the opacity to 15%. I pick color blue and color it on canvas. I color the eyes first on overlay layer. Next I gotta import the effects. It'll act as a light source. I change its blending mode to add. I will glow this on this new add layer. I select airbrush normal. Please watch closely on how I apply it. Next I add layer, I set it to overlay. I bring it down below on the effect layer. I pick a different shade of blue. I apply it with one tap to add a different color. In this new add layer, I gonna put some lightings on the character, using pen fade. I use white to add highlights on eyes, nose and lips. I adjust the opacity of brush before applying to look more natural. It is important to know where the light coming from, to know where you gonna put the lightings and shadows. Next I go back to this layer where I apply airbrush. I gonna glow his eyes in the light source more. And I put a little lightings. I want to smoothen this lighting, so I go to filter tool, Gaussian blur. I adjust the radius to 11 px. I just adding more lightings here, and done.